Good morning, everybody. This is Miss Jones on Fish Feeding Thursday. Last Thursday, I introduced a bloodworm tablet to my tank, and I told you, now watch, just a week later, how they're going to adjust to being fed. Now, right now, it's in blue LED light mode. I shut down the main light at night, and just the blue glowing light is on. Last week, they all hid on me. Remember? The little angels were hiding on me. Well, look what happens when I turn on the regular light and they see that I'm standing by the tank. Hello, good morning. Let's see if everybody's alive. I have replaced my Molly with a new pregnant Molly. See that video on what happened with the first Molly and why she passed away. I have still the first 4 angelfish that I have placed in this tank. And then I went to Walmart's and added 2 more. And for some reason, they hide up by the heater. And they are a particular brand of angelfish. I have yet to research it, but their dorsal fins are very, very stubby. Their back fin is very narrow. Then yesterday, and here they come, I purchased 3 more fish from PetSmart, and their dorsal fins are extremely long. There's a all white one in here somewheres. I think he's right here. Yes, they're not familiar with me just yet. These are the new fish from yesterday. But look at this. Drogon's waiting. The silver marble's waiting. I do call this one Gap because his dorsal fin is gapped like gap teeth. But I have not named anyone else. So yes, look at this one. Isn't this one sharp looking? It's a combination of black and white spotted, but look how long the top fin is. Okay, here comes the white one. Okay, so they're following the rest of the fish that were already here. Well, without further ado, let's drop the tablet. I will have to move the Molly a little bit and move her out of the way. Here it goes. 1. Look at this. They're already at the top. 1, 2, 3. Fish Feeding Thursday. Fish Feeding Frenzy Thursday. But they do this every day. It did not take them long to recognize me, and I am their food source. Now the black Molly, she has a lid on her little breeding box. I will open the lid and then drop in a few flakes for her, and then the 2 over in the corner, I'll give them a few flakes. Oh, here comes the little one. The little one's venturing out. Look at this. This one will come out and eat when there is food. The one in the back won't. I have to place some fish flakes over in this corner for this one. Even if I hit the tank, it doesn't come out. Oh, there it goes. Come out for a little bit and go right back to the corner. But yes, they adapted very well in their tropical fish paradise aquarium. So like I said last week, watch my video on how I started my 29-gallon, where I purchased it, and as we go along week after week, I will bring you a video on Thursdays. Thank you for stopping in. I did add some more accessories. I added a real life plant in the back. Angels do not eat plants, but I feel it brings a little bit of nutrient into the water. I added some more of the blue LED accessories because once that LED light is on, it makes these ones glow. You've seen that right in the beginning before I turned down the overhead light. I have not added any new water other than when the fish are introduced with their water in their bag. Normally every week you're supposed to take the plastic jug and remove some of the water about an inch down and then add new water. I'm not going to do that just yet because these fish are still trying to be adapted because I am introducing them. And I did introduce one yesterday, so I won't add the fresh water. And then the Molly too, we have to consider her. And if I do add a gallon of water, I will add the conditioner that came with this kit to that water. Just a little bit. Like I said, refer to my first video on how you build a fish tank. Look at these guys. They all know me now. They are adorable.